What's going on, everybody? So I know everybody's tired of hearing about the scammer. I've tried and tried to let it go. This guy needs to go down. He is a sick individual who talks about things like little girls and just stuff that as a parent is sickening to hear. So just check out this video about how narcissistic he is and let me know what y'all think.
A narcissistic liar demands attention, yet the lies that he or she create always deny responsibility and accountability for the actions of the narcissist. The narcissist is driven entirely by ego rather than logic and will defend the ego at all costs. Narcissistic personality disorder is a mental health condition in which people have an unreasonably high sense of their own importance. They need and seek too much attention and want people to admire them. Pinnacle Credit Management, Repair, has shown signs of this disorder many times. Now that we understand what a narcissistic disorder and liar is, let's explore some real-world examples of this disorder in action.
Would be the best thing, but where do you start? How do you start another business? Well, you have to find someone that has a business that's willing to teach you. Just like, how do you become healthy? Well, you have to find someone that's already really healthy that's willing to teach you. Like this video, I'm teaching you the health part I got. The business part, I'm all right, I'm good.
He claims his mentor is Lexington Law, but he talks down about Lexington Law. This is one demonstration of displaying his ego and superior as a narcissist.
My business is doing, it's done pretty good. It's above average, right? I make the above average income. So that is a statement right there. That's pretty good. Well above the average income, right, for where I'm at. So that's a huge accomplishment. But I'm not a multimillionaire, but I want to be. But that takes great sacrifice. It takes a lot of sacrifice. So
Pinnacle Credit Management says he is not a millionaire, but has made the statement several times in the past, including he is living in a penthouse across from the Hudson River in New York when in truth he is in Vietnam. Let's take a moment to listen to his millionaire rant.
Plants, they need us, and we need them. It's the same with money. We need money, we love money, money loves us. Money is chasing us, and money is destined to be with us. Money is your soulmate. Money is my soulmate. My living purpose is to be with who I'm destined to be with, and that is money. Money is my soulmate, my kindred spirit. Money belongs to me. Money is mine. It's my destiny to have money, and money is looking for me. I am money's destiny. When money is present, it looks for me. As long as there's money and as long as there's me, we will both have each other because we're meant to be. That is a mantra.
people can use their candle to burn others and harm others, but no, I use my candle to light others. And those that try to attack me, I don't even retaliate, right? Because when you retaliate with people, you become sick as well. That's another thing. Before we go on to the next H, toxic people. Don't fight with toxic people. Ignore them completely, okay?
Pinnacle Credit Management takes pride into convincing you that he is better than everyone else. Pinnacle has been caught in lies, faking photo of properties he claims he owns, where he lives. Customer reviews. Release personal information on YouTube including a photo of a customer's driver's license as blackmail and admitted to lying and cheating to take your money. He is the perfect example of a narcissist. He is a one-man show with virtual offices in the States and will not honor his money-back promise. Do your research before you hire him. This is only a small sample of the issues this guy has.
So as you can see, this guy is pretty much everything that he has called me. He is a P-file, and I'm sure y'all know the word, but I just can't say it. So he is a P-file, which is something that he's called me. He is a narcissist, which is something that he called me. He owns no properties, which, I mean, who cares? And Eagle Motor Credit would love to have their bike back if you want to send it back to the States. Anyways, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.